Birdie. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about my crossbody type of, I guess you could call it, a little off-body carry. This is my off-body carry by VanQuest, and I just got this thing. So we're going to talk about carrying one of these and like why you would do that. I am a big fan of these things. I don't like the fanny pack deal, but I do like these crossbody bags if you wear them right. They got a lot of different purposes so for me, I'll conceal carry with one of these, especially if I'm going to the gym. It's mainly my main use for my conceal carry when I'm at the gym or when I'm on my bike cycling. So that's what we're going to talk about. We'll also talk about a little bit of an EDC. So my everyday carry hasn't really changed. I mean, a few things. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's what we're filming on right now. My keys, they're always pretty much the same. They haven't changed. Still got the Roe Von Light on there, the Aurora Roe Von Light, which is awesome. New to the watch thing, I have a Apple Series 5 watch in a Spigen Tough Armor rugged case, and it kind of looks like a G-Shock case, and I don't know how I feel about this case yet. I'm still trying to like it and love it. I just kind of really actually just dig the stock factory Apple case, or excuse me, bracelet. So yeah, I think this thing's just a little bulky, but it does protect the watch, and it does kind of look kind of cool. It reminds me of a G-Shock. So anyway, if you want to wear a G-Shock, just wear a G-Shock though, right? So anyway, my gun, still the same. Glock 43. I mean, my gun for everyday carry is still the same. I do have a few other ones. I just don't carry them as much as I do this. This is my main EDC gun, and I can't stress enough that I just don't change it because it doesn't. I don't need to. This is what works for me. It's concealable. It's got 9 shots. I got the +1 in there. It's got a great holster by Quick Violent Over, which I haven't changed in 2 years now. It's just a really good handgun. I've never had a jam up with it. I've fired just probably close to 7,000 rounds. I just changed the front spring on it because you should do that after some time. So Trigicon TrueGlow TFX night sights, stipple grip, double undercut, OC Customs trigger. It's still the same exact little handgun that I've had for probably 5 years now, maybe longer. I don't even know. I've had this thing for a while, and I carry it every single day. And the reason why that is because it's comfortable, right? There's no reason for me to change it because it works. People buy a handgun, they don't like it, they don't carry it. You know what I mean? It's not comfortable. They don't know where to put it. It bothers them to put it on. They're going to the gym, they leave it at home. Something happens, and they're like, shit, So I don't leave mine at home when I go to the gym. It literally comes everywhere with me. So this is my option for when I'm at the gym as well. And what I typically do in a gym is same thing with my old one. I'll just, wear it into the gym, clip this thing off me, and just put it next to the weight rack wherever I'm working out. I don't leave it in the corner or in a closet or something. It literally comes to bench with me. And then, once it's unbuckled, I'll carry it around the gym like this. Nobody's thinking nothing of it. You know what I mean? Except every single person that watches this video now that goes to the gym I'm at, but I could care less. Anyway, so the way it works, did I just screw up the way I like it? Okay. Anyway, we'll talk about how it goes in the, as far as the holster goes, and just bang that out of the way real quick. And that's how it goes inside here. And there's a hook and loop field inside. Velcro it, zip it up. There you go. And that's how you do that. So, like I said, typically though, the gun's on me, but this little holster deal in here is always, it stays in here. Just gonna leave it out for now. So, other things I got in here, the thing I like about this, and most VanQuest stuff, it's just bright orange, so you can see what you got going on inside the rest of the bag. let's talk about what's on the outer part first, though, too, because since we are in a pandemic, quote unquote, and you have to wear a mask everywhere you freaking go, in the back zipper part, I keep my masks. I just have the regular one. These are both clean. I date my masks, actually. Like, I date them and put little check marks next to them to know how many times I wear them. These ones are disposable. I wear them once and throw them out. This one's brand new. I have a whole box of them. You know, you can easily get them now. And then this is the one, I don't think I wore this one yet. I got this at Home Depot or something, but it's really comfortable. And, you know, this is like my one that I'll wear for work and stuff. But I'll wash this one. This one's brand new, though. But I got a few different ones like this that are really nice and comfortable. The mask thing I'm doing, you know, I don't know, guys. You have to wear them to get in public places now, so it is what it is. Do I think it works? No, I think it's bullshit because I think most people are wearing dirty masks, and I think that most people are wearing it hanging half off their face anyway, and I think that's just not, if you're going to enforce a law like Kamala Harris and Biden are going to do, a federal mandate, 330 million Americans wear a mask. That's just not. You got to make your policies reality. That's not the reality of it is that 330 million people aren't going to wear a clean mask every single day. That's just not reality. And you gotta make your policies a reality. You know, they have to reflect reality. Anyways, so moving on. This top little dump pouch here, I just keep my wallet. I seldomly carry my wallet on my body. Like, I don't like it in my back pocket. I don't like it in my front pocket. I mean, unless I'm going out to dinner, I don't have this on me, and I am forced to wear this, then I wear my wallet. This is still the pop-off leather wallet. It has the HCRD Hard City Raindrops thing. I just got typical cards in there, license, MAC cards, stuff like that. No credit cards, because I don't use credit cards. If I want something, I save up and I buy it. These are just medications, Tylenol, Advil in this one. This is my stomach pill, so I know that I need them in there. And this is a little new addition. These are the AirPod Pros. These are the best. I mean, I say this with every kind of earbuds I get, but these things are awesome. And I think the number one thing I like about these the most is, one, they sound good too. The noise cancellation in them is really great for work because on my watch, I have at the top the noise. It tells you if you're, you know, in your decimal levels. And it's really helpful to save my hearing before I'm 40 and I'm deaf because it's very loud where I work. And pop these in, put the noise cancellation on, and it's just awesome. So I really like the AirPod Pros, and, you know, spend a little bit more money, get the good ones, you know, get the long ones that, my eye itches, that bother your ear and stuff. These are nice, really comfortable, like them a lot. So that's it for that. And then in this part, and I really like these little, the pull tabs here are really good. And we got a front, like, mesh zipper here. And inside here, I have these little, I've been addicted to these, like, puzzle things now, guys. These Hanayamaya. This is a level 6. And these are just puzzles, you know, kind of like a fidget spinner, but they're, you know, brain teaser puzzles. This one's very, very difficult. I have not been able to figure this one out yet. That'd be cool if I did it on camera. But I have another one too, like, and I have actually this thing that I've been putting together, which is like a wooden gear magical like box thing. Like, look at this thing. Like, if you're want to give your wife a wedding ring, this is the ultimate way to do it. Like, put the wedding ring. I'm not done this thing yet, but like, put the wedding ring in that box and just like pop it out. Like, that would be so sick, right? Too bad I'm clearly never getting married. But anyway, shit, don't break my new freaking toy. I've been just like, I don't know, have a lot on my mind, so I've been just doing these like puzzle things and stuff, so they're really cool. But anyway, this thing's cool. This is a level 3, I think, and this one's pretty easy. It's just like, you can just kind of wiggle this one apart, kind of. I forget. I haven't done this one in a little bit now. Yeah, see, that one just comes apart pretty easy, and then when you're done taking them apart, you have to put them back together, which is actually much easier. So these are pretty cool, very addicting. Anyway, I got one of those in there, and this is the one I'm working on currently. I have a UFO one too around here somewhere, but I don't feel like getting it. I think it's in the bedroom. Storeroom probably has it. So for a pen and pad, I'm always jotting notes like my bigger EDC bag, and this complements that very nicely. This is the VanQuest, like, you know, look at it, nice stitching on there, and VanQuest, real nice leather. Anyway, my EDC bag, I always carry my moleskin notepad. Oh, this is not it. Oh, here it is. I picked up my A pad. It's actually right here. And this is where I take all my notes for podcasts and videos and different stuff like that. And that's the next podcast coming up, where we're going to talk more about Kamala Harris and Biden and COVID and Trump and just the next podcast is going to be fire. So, and also, we're going to be focusing a lot more on the podcast, because what I've been realizing lately is my podcast is my number one watched videos recently. And it hasn't been like that ever. Something just happened with the last one where people are downloading the podcast, people are listening, and so I'm going to focus more on that for you guys, because clearly you like the podcast. So that's where we're going to go with it. We're going to still talk about EDC stuff. This stuff never going to change, but podcast is definitely going to be the priority going forward. Anyway, a pen. This is a big idea, or is this Big Idea? Yeah, Big Idea Design titanium little pocket pen. I love this one. I have the gray one, which I use every day for work. This is the black one, which is my personal one that I use at home. Also at home, or sometimes I'll throw in here is my other favorite. This is the James pen, and quite expensive little black pen. The James pen is, but it's really, really a nice writing utensil. And so is this. By the way, they're both this just has the regular tip in it. This one as well. So I didn't switch the tips out in them. That's it for that. Inside here, I just rock, I keep this so light. I don't want, the point to have one of these is not to carry a bunch of stuff, right? But to carry essential stuff. So a flashlight is definitely always in here. And this is, look at the flashlight I have in here, guys. The Olight 3E EOS. You would think, this is just one Olight that I just don't use anymore. I don't keep it on my keychain anymore. I use the Aurora on my keychain, the A1 titanium is my keychain light, and this is my old one, but I'm not going to throw this stuff away. I'm going to throw it in this little pouch, and that's going to be a little backup light. I have other lights I can throw in there too, I have the S1R Baton Mini, which still works very well, the Olight, and if I feel like maybe I want a little bit brighter light, maybe I'm at nighttime, I'll throw that one in there. Because I know it's dark out, so this could help, especially in wintertime. It gets dark early, so this little light here may be a winter option. Tons of light options. I have flashlights everywhere. The only other thing in here is a Giltech Ruck, and that is just a little razor blade knife deal. Actually, that isn't the only other thing. There's one more thing. It's here. It wasn't in the bag, but it will go in the bag. I keep it at the very bottom, and that is a cat tourniquet Gen 7, and I just keep it way at the bottom out of the way, and that is basically my VanQuest little I guess you could call it a man purse or a fanny pack. You can wear it as a fanny pack. You can strap it to your backpack. You can wear it crossbody in the front, crossbody in the back. You can strap it to your bike tubes somehow. You could put it to the front bars, on your cycle. So you can put it on a motorcycle. You can do so many different things with this VanQuest bag. I have it in 2 different colors. I got it in the multicam black, which is my absolute favorite, and I got it in the all black, traditional look, in case I'm a little bit more casual dressed and I want to carry a crossbody or something or whatever. But I don't know. I just got myself another option. They're cheap enough, so they're not really that cheap. They're made out of probably $500, maybe $1,000. The multicam, not 100% sure, but it's got all the best Duraflex buckles. The YKK zips. It says it right on there. Reversible, so no dirt and stuff's getting in there. They're just made so well. The stitching is unbelievable on them. Look at the stitching on here. It's never gonna tear or rip. Look at this. Look at the stitching around that. That's never gonna rip. or anything. Is there some kind of a whistle or anything? Like VanQuest likes to hide these little features all over this thing. I don't think I'm missing anything. It's real simple, but it works very well. It holds a lot if you want it to. And for me, that's all I need to carry on a daily basis. And sometimes, since I do use this as a gym bag, and sometimes you just smell, I do have a smaller version of these, but I usually do keep one of these in here. And this is just like a man spray. This is by Johnny Slicks. This is called the Slick Spray. This is the Paradise, and this stuff smells amazing, guys. You just spray it a few times, and you can put it on your hair. You can spray clothes, laundry, your car. It just smells so freaking good. I just want to drink this stuff. It smells so amazing. And this is the Paradise, so it's more like a fruity kind of smell, but not like it's very masculine smelling, but it's fruity at the same time. Very summery. I love it a lot. And this is the Johnny Slick Spray, and I'll leave the link below for that. And that's not a sponsor. That's paid with my own money. I don't have any sponsors, to be honest with you. Anyway, so I usually do keep a smaller one. This is the one that usually stays in my EDC bag, but if I'm going to the gym and I know that, and I'm on the bike and it's hot and I'm sweating, I'll throw this in there because it's not a huge deal to add a little bit of weight, and that's that. So yeah. Besides that, as my EDC, I have my Apple Watch, my phone, my firearm. I always carry a knife. My current knife is the Spyderco PM3 Para 3 in black camouflage with the black S30V steel blade, and this knife is an absolute fucking wizard. This thing is. And then a Hank. What do I got to say about a Hank? I mean, every man on the planet needs to be carrying a Hank. Especially nowadays, maybe you forgot your mask, you can wear it as a bandana, you can blow your nose, you can do all kinds of things with a Hank. Like this is my favorite color, and the green one, and then I have every color. I have the black, I have blue, I have this brown color, I have a red one that's in my work pants right now. I got all kinds of Hanks. This is one that I like to carry too sometimes. This isn't like your traditional kind, but this is a recycled firefighter, and it's made out of that fire retardant cloth or whatever, and it's got a nice cotton back. By the way, these Hanks, make sure you get them in 100% cotton. Some like the paisley. I like this traditional cowboy look. But anyway, that's it, guys. That's the video. That's my off-body EDC. I hope you enjoy. If you don't mind, go into Patreon. Support the channel that way. Greatly appreciated. If not, no big deal. We're going to release 2 videos a month on the Patreon. I got one coming out on there next week. It's super cheap. You don't have to, though, if you don't want to. If not, no big deal. Just share, like, subscribe to here. Make sure you hit the bell. You get future notifications and all that good stuff. And, comment. I react with everyone and try to interact with everyone. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I love you all. Have a great rest of your week. And that's it. Peace.